guys, pupunta kami sa CVS kasi magpapapicture ako para sa passport ko. US passport! Nandito yung mga documents ko. Ayan, nilagay ko na dito lahat yung mga kakailanganin ko. So, on the way na kami sa CVS and hopefully hindi kami malilate kasi yung appointment ko for my passport is 12:15 to 12:30.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup.
And ito na siya, guys. Let's see. Let's see. 4x6 tapos $16.99 yung binayaran namin.
Have KFC.
Just Subway din. Tingnan yung itsura.
You look very white.
Yeah, very putty. So, ito na yung aking pictures. Ayan. Pero ang problema kasi hindi pa siya na-cut, guys. So, wala kaming gunting dito. So, ito na yung magiging photo or picture ko sa aking US passport. And yeah. Sabi ni Sam, I'm so white dito. Puting-puti raw ako dito. Yeah, they didn't cut it. So, you will cut it? I mean...
No, it's like maybe you don't cut it.
Okay, no need na pala siyang i-cut, guys. Ganito.
It shows that on CVS website, right?
Yeah. So, I guess that's it.
You passed all of this. Image size, correct head size, image brightness, eyeglass glare, no present, mouth closed, and not smiling.
Not smiling.
Yeah, you can't smile. Eyes are looking straight ahead.
We're going to Subway.
So ayan guys, ayan dito.
Wide and run. And we're going to Subway, guys, kasi hindi pa kami nakapag-breakfast and lunch. We're going to Subway. Wow, guwapa. Tingnan yung forma ni Sam, kanya shoes, ganda-ganda.
Ikaw, ganda-ganda. My new jacket.
My new jacket. My new coat. Let's go to Subway.
Go get Subway.
Yeah, same thing, Subway Club, my favorite. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda dito. First time ko makapasok dito, guys. So nice. And it smells so good. And we're back. What? Gahod. Gahoran.
Ikaw gahot. Iran.
We're back, guys. Hindi pala kami nakabili ng Subway kasi ang daming tao sa loob, tapos isa lang yung worker sa loob, and then yeah, baka malate kami kasi 11. How many? 5 people? Yeah.
Or tatlo.
No, it's like 4. And then we're the 5th.
Was tatlo 3?
3. So, sabi ni Sam, after na lang ng passport appointment ko na kumain para hindi kami malate. And then, tapos mga 1 minute lang na drive, guys.
It's just here.
And we're na guys sa loob. And then have another one there. And I'm finally done na, guys, sa aking passport appointment. And also, kinuha din niya yung original ng certificate of naturalization ko. Hindi namin alam yun ni Sam, so medyo na-shock kami na ganun pala. Nakukunin pala yung original, not just a photocopy. So, yeah. How many days will wait, my love?
Wait 6 weeks
6 weeks?
to get your passport, and naturalization 8 weeks.
Oh my gosh, that's a very long time. So, mga 6 weeks for my passport, tapos 8 weeks naman sa aking naturalization na certificate. And right now guys, nandito kami sa New Baltimore Trade Center. So, first time namin na makapasok dyan. So, I'm gonna show it to you. I think it's mommy. Jason. It's cool. Cute my doggy. Oh, ang cute ng doggy. 10K. Mga alahas, oh. Mga pendants. Mga antiques. Remember the 888 mga kind of looks like this. Tapos mga codes. Ang cute. Tingnan niyo. BJ's.
Remember in Texas?
Yes, that was
Houston.
our first BJ.
I know it's not here, even though we live here.
So dito na lang kami kakain guys sa BJ's instead of Subway. It's an upgrade. Ang daming tao. Ang daming nakapark guys. Oh.
Ay,
What?
no. Never
What
mind.
happened?
Nothing.
Say hi! Gahuran? Gahuran? Nasa bahay na kami guys. And after pala namin kumain sa BJ's, pumunta kami sa Walmart. And bumili kami ng mga pagkain guys. So this one, ito. Dalawang mango. Tapos ito guys, fruit blend. And kumuha din ako ng maliit na tajin. Tajin ba yan? Hindi ako sure. Tajin with lime. Bali, $1.50 something. And this one, yung strawberry milk flavoring straws. Bali, maglalagay ka lang guys ng gatas sa glass and then tapos ito na. Tapos ilagay mo tong straw na to and then yung flavor ng milk is magiging strawberry flavor na siya. And I got this one, also yung washcloth para may pang trapo ko di sa na kusina. Nivea lotion. Kasi nabusan ako ng lotion and always na ako naglo-lotion. Kasi kailangan ng moisturizer yung skin ko kasi always nang dry. And also, bumili kami na ganito. Yung key locks para sa mga luggage namin and sa mga bag. If makapag, ano na kami guys, bakasyon na sa Philippines! I can't wait to visit the Philippines. And also this one, yung luggage bags. Ayan. And then this one for our garbage disposal. Bumili din ako nito ng Arizona sweet tea. Everyday ko na itong iniinom guys. Instead of coffee or chocolate drink, ito yung iniinom ko na yung sweet tea. And bumili din kami ng 3 disinfecting wipes. Great value. So ito din yung ginagamit namin panlinis dito sa bahay. And I think that's it lang guys for our haul for today. Balik kaunti lang naman yung binili namin.